folder. The whole line, and then put protein and then roll around. So, alright. What about this one?